Hello lovely people, let's make Bolognese together. First thing first, finely chop an onion. Beautifully. No rush, we don't want to impress anyone, we're just cooking at home. Now time to cut our beautiful celery. First peel it like this. Then julienne cut. And from there, finely chop. Now time to peel off our carrot and chop it like this. Fine chop. And then we need 2 beautiful garlic. That's it. That's all the veggies we need for this recipe. For 400 gram meat, which today I use lamb and beef, but the best mixture for Bolognese is pork and beef. Fry up all the vegetables until they are beautifully cooked. The key to have a perfect Bolognese is to fry the vegetables until this stage, and then you can add garlic, some bay leaf, your beef. You can use a smasher or you can use your spoon, and again season it with salt and pepper. Seasoning in every stage is very important. Then little bit of any wine you have, could be white or red wine. And then tomato peel. This is the peeled tomato. I use canned, you can use even fresh tomato or tomato paste. And then chicken stock. For this recipe I use chicken stock, but the perfect stock for this recipe is of course beef stock. Then we need herbs. You can add rosemary, I added fresh thyme and basil. And look at it. This is the piece of beauty. Alright, now time to make our pasta. The key of having a creamy pasta is to add pasta water to the mixture, then add the pasta right away and mix it together until the texture is created. Look at it. Now time to serve. Put lots of meat on top. Yes, that's it. And of course Parmesan or Parmigiano Reggiano, anything you have. Garnish it with anything you like. I use basil, you can use thyme or anything else, and enjoy it.